Good evening, students. It is the second video of the science. First is the general science, and it is the first chapter, that is the matter in our surrounding. In this chapter, first page of this is what is present in this chapter, that is the matter. What is the matter? Actually, it is present in the class 9th you studies, but if we discuss what is the matter, then if we see anything around us, table, chair, door, floor, pen, register, paper, anything around us which is made up of matter. Matter have three components, that is solid, liquid or gases. What is the property of this? Suppose that in the case of the solid, you imagine that it is a metal rod or a pen. In liquid, you can understand what is the liquid. You can imagine the water. And gas, you can imagine what about the LPG gas in the cylinder. If these, according to the imagination, if you see definite shape, means that if this pen I put inside a bucket or the mug or anything, then the shape of this pen cannot be changed, so that it have the definite shape. In the case of the liquid, no definite shape. It means that if we water put in a glass or jug or any container, then the liquid regain the shape of the container, so that it actually do not have their definite shape. It can change regularly. In the same manner, gases, they can occupy the container so that they do not have the definite shape. The second is definite or fixed volume. In solid, the volume will be fixed. In liquid, the volume is also fixed. It means that mathematically the multiplication of length, width and the depth or the height will be always constant, so that the volume of the liquid is always constant. But the volume of the gases cannot be constant. If we put the 1 liter gas in a 2 liter cylinder, the volume of the cylinder will according to the 2 liter. If 1 liter gas is put in the cylinder of 14 liter, then the volume of cylinder will be 14 liter, correct? Third, do not flow. As we know that the solid remains as it is, they do not flow. Liquid can flow of water. Gases can also the flow. We know that the so many gases present in our environment, blowing of the air. Fourth point is particles are closely packed. If you see the structure of a solid, and this is n particle of the solid, then you see here they are very closely packed, and this is one particle, it is second. There is very little space or no space between the two particles. If you see here, there is the particle of liquid. If it is the first, it is the second. There is slightly greater intraparticular space in the liquid as compared to the solid. But if we see the gas is obtain the complete volume of the container, so that they have much greater space as compared to the liquid or solid. So first is particle are closely packed, liquid loosely packed, and the gases particle are much loosely packed. And the fifth, incompressibility, means if solid को अगर आप press करें तो they do not change their structure. It means that they are incompressible. अगर आप दबाते हैं तो ये दबेगा नहीं जनरली solid. In case of the liquid, little compressible. Liquid को दबाते हैं तो उसकी थोड़ी shape change होगी, but they can little compressible. But in case of the gas, it is very much compressible. As we know that if a cylinder have 1 liter gas and the volume of the container is 14, and the complete gas will be put inside the 2 liter of the container, so the pressure of 2 liter container is much greater than the 14 liter. These are the structure and these are the general properties of the matter. It is also present in the next part. It is the general point. If you see if you make a solution, sugar solution, or if you dissolve a salt, table salt, NaCl, which we use in the taste of the food, or lemon, anything in the water, then after the addition of crystal of the sugar, the crystal of sugar are dissolved and they do not identified by the naked eyes. So we can say that these particles, what is the particles, like that the sugar or salt or the lemon, these are present, actually these are present, suppose that it is the molecule of the water and these are dissolved, these are the water molecule, and some solvent like sugar, these are placed the space between the water molecule, so they do not identified in the water. So what is the point, that when we dissolve the salt in water, salt or sugar, and the particles of the salt get into the space between the particles of the water, they do not seen in the naked eye. Clear? So it is the journal page, and we discussed that what is present, what is the content in this chapter. So we discuss in this chapter all related with the matter, solid, liquid, gas, what is the property of solid, liquid, gas, what is the condition at which we can exchange these properties, means solid can convert it into the liquid, liquid is converted into the solid, what is the mutual exchange, what is the process, and how can we convert it into it. Correct? It is the general things. Okay, if we discuss the next part of this, now we start the matter. We understand the matter, what is the matter, but what is the definition of matter? The matter is the material in which everything in this universe, in or around us, and made up of what, in different shape. What is the shape of pen? The shape of pen is present in your brain. What is the shape of goat? What is the shape of lion? What is the shape of buffalo? What is the shape of 1 cup of the tea? So all of these things have the shape. What is the shape of prism? Anything which is present around us have a proper shape, and these all of things are made up of the matter. Now the main or the first point in this chapter, that physical nature of the particle. What is the physical nature of the particle? The matter is made up of the particle. It's mean that all the matter, if you see anything around you, the wall of the room, door, window, pen, table, chair, floor, any ornamental thing present in your house, all the things are actually made up of the particles, and these particles are combined and forms the what, matter. Any form means that solid, liquid, or gas. So matter is made up of the particle, that is, it is the particle or the basic unit of the matter. The particles of the matter is very small, and it cannot generally seen in our naked eye, and it can be seen from the microscope. So these are the particles which are microscope in according to their size. And what is the characteristics of the particles? If we see the characteristic of the particle, then one thing is, particle of matter are continuously moving. Any of the particle, if you see the 1 liter of the gas present in the 40 liter of the cylinder, then these particles are not the stationary, these are always moving here and there. If the particle are moving here and there, it means that particle having the velocity. If the particle having the velocity, it means that they have the kinetic energy, and you understand the formula of kinetic energy, I think, half mv square. M is the mass of the particle, v is the velocity of particle. If we multiply, so we can find the kinetic energy of the particle. So what what is the meaning? Particle of the matter are continuously moving. If they are continuously moving, they have the velocity, then particle having kinetic energy. It's mean that they are moving with the energy, and that's why the particle is moving here and there. As we increase the temperature, if temperature we increase by the process of heating, then kinetic energy increases. If the kinetic energy increases, so that particle moves faster. It is the common sense. If the velocity is greater, means that if the velocity is greater, then the kinetic energy is directly proportional to velocity plus square. If the velocity is increases, so that kinetic energy will be increases. Correct? Now you think that you have the three type of matter, that is the solid, liquid or the gases. Then which kind of the property, means solid, liquid, gas, have the greater continuously motion of the particle? Solid, liquid or gas? First you think that which kind of the particle move easily. If we see the diagram, these are particle are farther to each other, so that they can more area to move. So the gas particle move here and there more easily as compared to the liquid, as compared to the solid. In the next another example, if you see, in the current days we are interlocked in our houses due to the coronavirus. So we have the some limitations. We cannot go here and there. We are restricted inside the houses. If we have the less chances to move outside, so the kinetic energy of us is less as compared to the normal days. If this limitation will be break down, it's mean that the lockdown will be completed or over. Then we move schools, market, ground, anywhere, so the kinetic energy will be greater. It's mean that gases have the greater chances to move here and there, so the gases have greater motion of the particle as compared to the liquid or solid, and the solid have least chance to the motion. And if we see the second part, that is the particle of the matter have space between them. It is the we discuss that we have the sugar, salt or the lemon, anything dissolved in the water, then these particles are arranged between the particles of the water. This is represents that there is enough space between the particles of matter. Correct? It is a general point, and it is also discussed just before. The third or the last property of the particle, that particles of the matter attract to each other. How can we identify the particle of matter can attract to each other? Suppose that, and imagine we open the water tap and water is flow down. Correct? If we put our finger in the water flow, then can water drop can breaks into each other? No, these are combines and they cannot spread here and there. So we can say that they have the attraction force between the water droplets. So it is explained here, we cannot break water stream, flow of water coming down from the water tap by putting our finger. Full stop. It's mean that complete the sentence. Particle of the water are held together because the force of the attraction of water. It's mean that all the matter are attract to each other and they do not spread here and there very easily due to the presence of attraction force between the matter particles. So it is the first part of the chapter, that is the name of the chapter is matter in our surroundings. If you have any queries, you may ask in my WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you.